Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that adding subtitles to your videos can really boost your engagement and your reach? Subtitles make your content easier to understand for people around the world and in noisy places. They're actually a game changer. So today I'm going to show you how to easily add subtitles to your videos using artificial intelligence. So no more boring manual typing or syncing. With AI, you can quickly and accurately generate subtitles, making your content accessible to everyone, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Subtitles can also improve your SEO and keep viewers watching longer. And the best fact, you don't need any technical skills to get started. So if you're ready to make your videos better and reach more people, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered subtitles. The first tool I'll be using is vMaker AI. So vMaker AI allows you to auto-generate subtitles of your videos in minutes. So you just have to upload a video and then you transcribe and then you can download it without watermark. vMaker allows you to do other things with your videos, allows you to edit your video using AI and all that. But then the subtitle generator tool is free. So if you didn't want to pay to generate the subtitles, then you can definitely check this tool out. So the first step is to go to the web app. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description box below so that it's easy for you to navigate. And then the next step is to click on generate subtitles. When you click on generate subtitles, it's going to take you to a sign up page or a login page. If you don't have an account already, you would have to sign up. You can either sign up using Google if you have a Gmail account, or you can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with any other email address of your choice you choose, and then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Once you sign up with your Google account, it will bring you to this page. You'd also receive a notification in your email welcoming you to vMaker AI. So once you sign up, like I mentioned, it will bring you to this page, which is the dashboard page, and it would give you different options in terms of what you can do with vMaker AI. So essentially, you'll be able to edit your videos with AI. That includes you adding background music, adding introductions, transitions, etc. You'd also be able to create video highlights, just like converting your video into short teasers, introductions, and highlights as well. And then you're able to also convert your long-form videos to your short videos. So for instance, if you had a long-form video on YouTube and you wanted to have several snippets of it and convert them into YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, you'll be able to do that as well using this particular tool. My previous video was on how to use Sembo to do the same thing. But then I like the fact that vMaker allows you to do all these in one particular dashboard or in one particular portal, so which is really good. The last option vMaker gives you as well is you're able to apply viral editing styles as well. For the purpose of this particular video, we just want to add subtitles to our existing video. So I'm just going to click on auto edit videos. Now, once you click on auto edit videos, it's going to ask you for the video with which you want to apply subtitles to. If you don't want to do any other edits and you just want to include subtitles, then just want to put in your finalized file in here. The supported file types are MP4, MOV, AVI, FLV, or WebM file, and the file shouldn't be more than 3 gigs, okay? So I'm just going to click on upload videos. So now that the video has been uploaded, the next step is to select the aspect ratio for the output video. So I just want to keep it as landscape because this is a video I would want to upload onto YouTube. So I'm just going to select the landscape output and click on continue. Now you can choose effects you want vMaker AI to add to your video. And like I mentioned earlier, if I wanted the vMaker AI tool to edit my entire video, then I would go on to select B-roll, and what it would do is that it's probably going to scan the internet for free B-rolls, which you could use. It could add intro cards, video transitions, etc. I'm going to unselect all these ones because that's really not what I wanted to do, and I'm just going to leave the subtitle box checked. I'm going to click on create video. It's going to start adding the text effect. Our video has been processed and is now ready. So if I click on play, as you can see, the subtitles have been added to to my video. Now that the subtitles have been added to my video, I can choose to go in here and sort of change the text or change the word. I think this is pretty much accurate with what I have in my video. If you wanted to change the font type of the subtitle, you'd be able to do so. So for instance, if I want to change it to this here, I'll be able to do so. If I click play, as you can see, it's changed. So I'm just going to keep it as this one for now. Now that is ready, I'm just going to click on export. And I want to export it in full HD. So after you click on export, it will start rendering the video. And once your video is done, it'll be ready and available for you to download. And you can just click the download button at that point. So we just need to give it some time for it to be ready. The video is ready for download, and I did receive an email about this. As you can see, it has the text in ready to be downloaded. So what you just do at this point is to click on download, and this video has rightly been downloaded onto my laptop. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to teach you how to transform ordinary words into amazing videos. Okay. The next two I want to talk about in this video that allows you to generate subtitles for free is CapCut. So CapCut AI allows you to generate subtitles for your videos without you having to pay for it. This will simply import the video with which you would want to add subtitles to onto your CapCut application and drag the video into the timeline frame. The next step from here is to navigate to text and click on auto captions. And then under auto captions, click on generate. If you wanted it to translate it into a different language, you need to get a pro version. But if you just want it to stay in the language in which the video is in, then that's free. So you can just click on generate. So this has been generated for us. As you can see, the text is a bit too difficult to view. What you can do at this point is to change the font type. So you can click on trending and simply choose what sort of font you're looking for. I'm just gonna change it to, let's say, so I just want to use a free font, okay? I don't want to use a font which you have to pay for just because you can do this for free without having to pay anything. Okay, so yeah, so I just selected this font type, or I just selected this template here. Today is alternated. It's like in house. Your next thing you just have to do is to click on the export button and then download this video, and then you can just upload this onto YouTube. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful. Like I mentioned earlier, previous video talked about how you can easily convert your long form videos into short videos. I'm gonna leave that video on the screen here so that you can go check it out. I thank you for watching. See you in the next one.